Think. Food changes energy. Tommy and Lily are hungry.
What should we eat? Haha! I want chips.
Wait, let's think.
Is chips healthy food? The correct answer is
B. No.
chips are unhealthy food.
This is healthy food.
Healthy food?
Yes. It gives energy.
It is tasty. Tommy feels tired. Fresh and sweet. Lily feels strong.
Junk food is not good every day. It's important to eat healthy.
What makes us strong?
The correct answer is A. Healthy food makes us strong.
Why are chips bad?
Tommy, these are not good for you. It has too much oil.
Drink plenty of water, too. Okay, I feel better.
Mother cooks healthy food.
Wow. What are these?
It is rice and vegetables.
It is yummy. Not bad.
Good choice, Tommy. Those are delicious.
I can run fast. I want that again.
Little to your loud do.
Think first, Tommy.
Fruit is better. Healthy food or junk food? Junk food.
Good boy!
We are strong now.
Healthy food helps the body.
I have energy! I feel happy! Who feels happy?
The correct answer is A. Lily feels happy. Good habits are important. Eat healthy food. Be strong and happy.